Alright, hello people, back on another video. Yesterday was October 11th, and I did a payout for my Legion Secret, and it's from the same guy that did it for me last time, and Andrew Christensen, and um, it's another payout, and I'm happy about that. So I got the $35 now, and speaking of which, I got another sale the other day. That same day, I made a payout. Let's go to that. As we're my Legend Secret now, and as you see right here, 10/11/22. I requested a payout around when I got this recurring commission right here. 10:52. I requested a payout, and then I sent the email promoting my Legion Secret, and ended up getting a sale. That's it. That's all I did. So, if you're interested in joining my Legion Secret today, link will be in the description. Also, if you want to join ClickBank and want to make a ClickBank video, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if you want more tips on how to make money online using my Legion Secret. And also, too, there's this other program that I've been using too called the 25 business, $25 business, called the Home Business Academy. If you want to know more about that, let me know in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.